Good Wednesday morning. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. We are under an excessive heat warning starting today and continuing through the end of the week. And I'm tracking potentially record-breaking temperatures by the end of the week, too. But we're also looking ahead at monsoon storm chances. The heat, though, kicking up a notch over the next few days. And that's why we've got heat alerts, especially across central and western Arizona, starting today or some of them starting tomorrow, but continuing through the end of the week. For the Phoenix Metro, this excessive heat warning goes in effect at 10 o'clock this morning, and it's in effect all the way through Friday night, as we're going to get some hot temperatures in the afternoons near 115 each day, but also the mornings will be warming into the upper 80s to low 90s, so not cooling off much through the morning hours. So those two combinations of the warm mornings and the very hot afternoons will lead to a higher risk of heat illness, and that's why these excessive heat warnings have been issued. We're also under an excessive heat warning through Friday for spots like Casa Grande and southern Maricopa County. Now, areas to our south around Tucson and Pima County, those alerts actually don't go into effect until Thursday, but they're in effect through Friday as well. Also, some of the higher terrain to our north and northeast, spots like Payson, also Prescott, those areas under excessive heat alerts starting Thursday, continuing through Friday. Also, you'll notice the Grand Canyon included in that. Again, Thursday through Friday, as we're going to see some very hot temperatures, dangerously hot temperatures in some of the lower elevations of the Grand Canyon, also up near Page. And out to our west, we've got those heat alerts also going into effect tomorrow through Friday. So overall, the next few days, very hot. And while today's heat risk starts to inch into the high range in some spots, by tomorrow into Friday, we'll see that valley heat risk go from high to very high. So again, that's an indication of how dangerous these hot temperatures can be. Our temperatures each afternoon topping 110, today 112, tomorrow 113. By Friday, 116 degrees. Again, not only are the afternoons going to be hot, but it's those mornings that really get us into trouble too, as we're only going to be cooling into the upper 80s to low 90s. So the higher risk for heat illness is there. By Friday, we could be talking record heat too. Right now, the forecast 116. The record is 115. So if we hit that 116 or even hit 115, we'll either tie it or break the record by Friday. That's a record set back in 1905. Some light breezes over the next couple of days, but overall winds not too strong here in the valley today, gusts peaking near 20 to 25 miles an hour. We've been watching some storms to our south here early this morning that are swinging some clouds across the valley, but we'll stay dry through the morning and expecting to stay dry in the valley through the day today. By this afternoon, a few storms possible in eastern Arizona, the White Mountains. But as we go into Thursday, Friday, and into the weekend, especially, an area of high pressure starts to situate itself just to our north. And with that, the flow around this system will allow for more moisture to move into our state, especially this weekend. And we could see storms that develop over the higher terrain get pushed into the Phoenix Metro because of that flow around that area of high pressure. So rain chances are going up. Now Thursday now not looking as good for that potential. It's looking more like Friday and through the weekend, even into early next week when we've got slight chances of monsoon storms here in the valley. Temperatures today topping 110 in most valley cities. Another sizzling hot afternoon with Phoenix a degree hotter than yesterday up to 112, 115 in Bullhead City, 90 in Flagstaff, and triple-digit temperatures in Sedona and Page today. As you look at your most accurate 7-day forecast, today 112, by Friday 116. Again, the mornings are getting warmer too, so we're talking lows in the upper 80s to low 90s. More cloud cover through the weekend as well, and those storm chances going up. A 20% chance for storms each afternoon through early next week.